Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to resolve if you are having an issue with the Windows Memory Diagnostic Tool that it detects the horrible problems were found. Let's fix it guys. First thing I recommend doing would be you had extra RAM sticks that were compatible laying around. I recommend swapping them out in your computer and see if that potentially resolves a problem. You may actually have physical hardware corruption, in which case a software fix is not going to be able to resolve the issue. So that's just one thing you want to look into. Something else we can try over here to run the hardware and device troubleshooting utility. For that you just need to go to search menu and type cmd, click run as administrator and select as guys. Now you just need to check my video description for this command used in my video, copy it, tap the bar, right click, eject and paste it in, press enter. The new window will open up, troubleshoot and help prevent computer problems, close it off the cmd. And now you just need to click on advanced and check mark apply repairs automatically and select next. If it gives you any suggestion, I will recommend going ahead and enable them or allowing them to proceed. After finishing troubleshooter, you just need to close the troubleshooter, and now you just need to go ahead and restart your PC. After restarting your PC, hopefully your issue has been resolved guys. That's it for today's video guys. Give me a like and subscribe. Thank you.